Lowering LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol, commonly known as bad cholesterol, is essential for reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Various vitamins are particularly effective in managing and reducing LDL levels. 1. Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, is one of the most well-researched vitamins in this context. It significantly reduces LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while boosting HDL, high-density lipoprotein, cholesterol, the good cholesterol. Niacin works by inhibiting an enzyme responsible for triglyceride synthesis in the liver, thereby reducing LDL cholesterol production. Common dietary sources of niacin include meat, fish, poultry, whole grains, and fortified foods. 2. Vitamin B6, or pyridoxine, plays a crucial role in many metabolic processes, including lipid metabolism. It helps reduce high levels of homocysteine, an amino acid associated with heart disease and high cholesterol levels. Vitamin B6 facilitates the metabolism of homocysteine, lowering its levels and potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. Poultry, fish, potatoes, chickpeas, bananas, and fortified cereals are rich sources of vitamin B6. 3. Vitamin B12, or cobalamin, also contributes to lowering homocysteine levels when combined with folic acid and vitamin B6. High homocysteine levels are linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Vitamin B12 aids in the proper metabolism of fats and proteins, supporting overall cardiovascular health. Sources of vitamin B12 include meat, dairy products, eggs, and fortified cereals. 4. Folic acid, or vitamin B9, works synergistically with vitamins B6 and B12 to lower homocysteine levels. Elevated homocysteine levels are a risk factor for cardiovascular diseases, including high LDL cholesterol. Folic acid supports the conversion of homocysteine into methionine, an essential amino acid. Leafy green vegetables, legumes, nuts, and fortified cereals are excellent sources of folic acid. 5. Vitamin C, an antioxidant, can also help lower LDL cholesterol levels. It prevents the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a process that can lead to plaque formation in the arteries. Vitamin C improves endothelial function and supports the production of collagen, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood vessels. Fruits like oranges, strawberries, kiwi, and vegetables such as bell peppers, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts are rich in vitamin C. 6. Vitamin E, another antioxidant, helps prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. Oxidized LDL is more likely to lead to atherosclerosis, the buildup of fats, cholesterol, and other substances in and on the artery walls. By preventing this oxidation, vitamin E contributes to maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, and green leafy vegetables are good sources of vitamin E. 7. Vitamin D has been linked to improved cholesterol profiles. Adequate levels of vitamin D are associated with lower levels of LDL cholesterol and higher levels of HDL cholesterol. Vitamin D helps regulate calcium levels and supports overall cardiovascular health. Sunlight exposure, fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and supplements are common sources of vitamin D. 8. Vitamin K2 is gaining attention for its role in cardiovascular health. It helps prevent the calcification of arteries, which can be caused by high cholesterol levels. By directing calcium to the bones rather than the arteries, vitamin K2 supports vascular health. Sources of vitamin K2 include fermented foods like natto, dairy products, and certain meats. In summary, incorporating vitamins such as niacin, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, folic acid, vitamin C, and vitamin E into your diet can play a significant role in lowering LDL cholesterol levels and promoting overall cardiovascular health. A balanced diet rich in these vitamins, combined with regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle, is an effective strategy for managing cholesterol and reducing the risk of heart disease.